Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to add home buttons to the toolbar in Firefox. If you see here, presently I don't have any home button, and adding home button is quite easy. You just need to come here to these three parallel lines in the top rightmost corner and click on it. This opens this menu, and in this menu, you need to come down to more tools. If you click on more tools, it opens another menu, and on the top here is customize toolbar. Click on this and it opens these set of buttons. These are the available buttons that you can add to your toolbar, and here is home, so you need to check for home, then click on it, select it, and drag it to the toolbar and place it anywhere you want. And I usually want to put this at this position. If I leave the button on my mouse, it will add the toolbar here too. It will add the home button to the toolbar in Firefox. So now it has been added, and if you are not interested in, you can drag it back. Being on the customize toolbar, you can drag it back to put it over here. So I always keep the home button here because it eases my browsing. If I close this up, now the home button is over here. And what's the advantage of home button? Let me open this tab. I'm here on Wikipedia page, and I want to go back directly on the same tab to the home page of Firefox. Then I'll just click on this home button and it will directly take me to the home page of Firefox. And thanks for watching.